It looked like a routine order to step off a plane.
I am a woman.
I understand we don't have a tampon.
I am bleeding from my... Well, then you have to figure something out. There's no point in letting me out without a tampon. You guys are so ghetto. I can't wait to see.
Let's go.
No, I need a tampon. I don't.
You don't have a tampon, ma'am.
Excuse me, sir. I don't feel comfortable getting out without a tampon because then you guys. Excuse me, sir. Because if I get out without a tampon and they ask for a tampon, then you're going to say I'm antagonizing you, and then I'm going to get arrested again. So what's the point of asking for cops' help? Look at how he's holding me. He's trying to still detain me. Ma'am, I've been an officer my whole life. You bitch, I'll spit on you. I'll get you.
It's the 21st of March, 2023, at Miami International Airport inside the Frontier Airlines terminal. A short verbal dispute over a scratched Louis Vuitton bag was about to escalate far beyond the overhead bin. That scratched bag ended with 2 felony charges, 1 felony resisting count, and a lifetime airline ban.
They don't want to get off?
They don't want to get off. It's good.
Oh, y'all were here this whole time and y'all didn't. How about y'all grab my bag? Y'all just here. Do something. Make yourself beautiful. Guys, I don't know why she got kicked off. That's just my friend, so I'm going with her. I'm a retired Army veteran. I know how to conduct myself. I know how to conduct myself.
Put your bags in the
Take off your purse. Take off your purse.
Why?
Take off your purse, okay?
Why?
You guys are going to go to jail. Take off your purse.
Why are we going to jail?
Take off your purse.
I'm not comfortable.
Listen to it.
Talaya!
Relax.
No, you're making me uncomfortable.
Relax.
You're making me uncomfortable.
Let's do it.
Why am I going to jail? I didn't say nothing. I didn't hit nobody. Why?
Relax.
12:39.
Got it? All right.
Man, stop it.
Stop it. There you go.
Somebody, I'm a retired Army veteran. Talaya!
Let's go.
What's
What's wrong with you?
Because you're making me uncomfortable.
Calm down.
No.
You're under arrest.
For what?
We'll let you know right now. We're going to get the other way?
You're choking me. Talaya! Okay. Can I be unchoked? Can I be not?
Nobody's choking you. Relax. Can you relax?
Can you relax?
I'm telling you, I'm fine.
You're not.
You're not one acting
Look at my
crazy.
arm. Look at my arm.
Because you're acting crazy.
No, I came off the plane by myself. You didn't come and get me off the plane.
Lady, we already told you were under arrest.
No, you did not. They
Yes,
told
we
me I
did.
had to get off the plane.
Right now we did.
Wait, excuse me.
Sure?
They told me I had to board. They didn't tell me I had to. Can I please? Can you let go of me
You're
like
under
this?
arrest, ma'am.
Excuse me, sir.
Calm down.
I am a sergeant.
Calm down.
Retired
You're not
from the
acting.
Army.
You're not acting like someone who's going to
You're not either. You're not either.
You're under
If you were
arrest
acting
now.
like it,
Calm down.
Excuse me.
I don't want to talk to you. Calm down. Calm down. What's wrong with you? All right.
I'm choking! Let go of
Just got off the bed though, like you see I'm not drunk. I'm completely sober. What's wrong? He just told me she's kicked off. I don't know why I'm being arrested. I'm sober.
Yes, you are!
Brian, I tried to calm her down.
I see
I calmed her down. I'm not drunk.
I'm not screaming!
I'm sober.
Excuse me, ma'am, can you hold me? A man can hold me, but not a man. Look at how, no, I am not hype. Look, I'm not hype. Look at how he's holding me. He's trying to still detain me. Ma'am, I've been an officer my whole life. You bitch, I'll spit on you. I'll get you killed. I have no name.
Relax. Look, okay, look.
Figure it out.
Ma'am, you don't want to talk to them, don't worry about it. Talk to me, okay?
Ma'am, can I speak to you? Can you come over here? Can we move around? You guys can both move me away because I'm going to smack the shit. Then I will break out of this as quick as you ever think. I live too much.
Listen, you're going to get more charges for no reason.
We got no charges.
You're going to get more charges.
Everybody on the plane has no issue with us. Can you listen to me?
Listen, you ain't talking yet.
Can I be let go of? I'm very uncomfortable. Can you let go of? Can I be in the space to walk so that you guys can come like this? I can look at you. I'm not trying to run. How can I fight with my hands like this? I feel it's antagonizing. Look, that was perfectly fine. Can I speak? Nobody has said anything to anybody. So why am I detained?
Because what happened was they told you guys to get off the plane. You guys refused to get off the plane. I was not on there, but that's what they're saying.
No, we did not refuse. Even the airport, the people that were sitting next to us said, why are they trying to kick you off? You can go on and ask everyone.
Yeah, but you have to understand, whenever the airlines told you to get off,
I'm retired Army. I understood. I get every baggage free. I get loaded for free. Why would I act in your way? Please tell me.
look how you're acting now.
And that's was because I was kicked off. How would you act?
That justifies you.
It doesn't justify anything, but it's justify you acting like this? When I fight for your freedom, you don't fight for my freedom like I fight for your freedom. I've shot, I've had die right in front of me. Let's be real. I've seen die anymore. That's not fair.
Okay, just relax and let them figure it out. Just relax.
Mommy, so figure it out for them to do this. I've never been arrested. You can look at my record. I've never been arrested like this. You want to take a picture for my photos? No, take a picture. I need a picture.
Now you're not being reasonable.
I am being reasonable. I need a picture of my Instagram so they know I'm not home at a party tonight, that I have to be out, that I got paid $3,000 for it. Thank you. Nobody on the plane said nothing. If anything, I should be arrested, not her, because she's not nice. We're not talking to police. I don't feel comfortable talking to those two. I feel comfortable talking to y'all.
He told me to help her. Okay, until we further investigate what's going on.
He is a weirdo.
No, okay?
For some reason, they wanted you to get off.
I didn't refuse to.
Why did they call us?
When they told me to get off the plane, they told you guys were already here. You can ask them yourself. I never refused to get. Why would I refuse to get off if I can get on another flight? What sense does that make? You guys are detaining us to keep us from acting violent, but you don't understand this makes us more acting more violent. I'm an Army veteran. I understand how to control my anger. That's why before, when I got on here, when the guy was being smart about veterans, he was like, "Oh, you can't board." I said, "Yes, I can. With Frontier, you can." Now, are you listening to me or no?
I am. I'm trying to make sure she's okay.
Go ahead. We're not going to be good. If we're not together, we're not both good. My hands are on one. I will definitely sue you guys. Not you, but I will definitely sue you. Miami-Dade police
There's
report.
no flights to spring break. There's no flights to get home.
My bags are still on the plane. Two Louis bags. Yes, two. I don't know.
When you're boarding pass, I
Good luck. I'm not letting you touch my shit. I didn't even yell. I didn't even hit nobody. I'm gonna
Wait, I'm gonna. Hey, you said you was a.
I don't care. Just get me out of here. I don't want my clothes. I don't want that shit. I want to go home. I don't want that. I want to go home. I've been trying to go home for 2 days. My best friend died in front of my hotel. What the with y'all? Y'all are sick. You're sick. I thought you would be different. You're sick. You're sick. My best friend got shot, cold blooded in front of the hotel. I've been trying to go home since then. No, you're not. If you were sorry, I wouldn't be in this. I didn't yell at nobody.
Just because I'm sorry doesn't mean
I
your behavior
understand.
is okay.
I didn't behave no way except here.
Oh, okay. Your bag's right there.
Even everybody else, I didn't. You can ask everyone sitting next to me. They're having me hold their babies. Why would they have me hold their babies if I wasn't a good person? I hate all y'all. No, get off me.
We're gonna walk. Come on. Don't make it harder than what it has to be. Come on.
You're gonna get hurt. You're gonna get hurt. Yeah, I got it, Benny. Got it?
Yeah.
Broad stairs, don't knock up.
Get one foot and I'm gonna get the other.
The first legal question has nothing to do with the bag itself. Once flight crew ordered a passenger to leave the aircraft, and she refused, Florida law already had an answer. Under Florida statute 8 to 10.0 to 8, trespass after warning applies the moment someone stays after being told to leave by an authority over that property. Airline crew qualify as that authority, so refusal alone was already enough to support a trespass charge. That statute doesn't require any argument about who scratched. What it only requires proof she remained after a lawful order to leave. The second issue is what turns a shouting match into a felony. On the recording, the detainee tells officers, quote, "I'll get you effing killed," end quote. Under Florida Statute 784.0-7, assault on a law enforcement officer becomes an elevated offense when the target is an officer performing lawful duties. A specific death threat aimed at an identifiable officer during an active detention is not protected speech, it's direct evidence for that charge. Notice also that similar language repeats earlier in the encounter, which prosecutors typically treat as evidence of intent rather than a single moment of panic.
You got leg restraints? You're trying to fight back.
I can't breathe! No, I can't. I'm not being funny.
Wait on the leg restraints.
Third, the moment restraint tools appear on camera. Officers say, quote, "You got leg restraints? You're trying to fight me," end quote, after she kicks during transport down the stairs. Florida Statute 843.0-1 makes resisting an officer with violence a third-degree felony, separate from the misdemeanor version under Section 843.0-2. Passive noncompliance falls under the misdemeanor statute. Active kicking during a lawful transport crosses into the felony. The footage matters here because Florida's felony threshold isn't based on injury to the officer, it's based on the presence of violence or force during the act of resisting.
You heard Benny?
Yeah.
Fourth, the claim that she couldn't breathe. Under Graham versus Connor, decided in 1989, the reasonableness of force is judged by what a reasonable officer perceives in the moment, not by every statement made under stress. A leg restraint secures the ankles. It does not restrict the airway, and the footage shows nothing applied above the legs. This distinction matters for future cases too. A claim of medical distress can still be legitimate, but officers aren't required to release a restraint on the claim alone without visible corroboration.
Use these.
Trying to grab you. Yeah, she's trying to grab you. Like a massage.
You.
Have my phone. Stairs.
Where are her feet? Where are her feet? Right here.
Pull up, yeah. Yo, she's trying to kick. That's fine. That's fine.
Charlie 2055 requesting a ball reference 836.
That's not going to stop me. I'm just going to sue you. Because I feel very mishandled. I've been raped by military police officers.
All right. Leave it some slack, Manny, so we grab it under the hinge. Yeah, you got slack here. Oh yeah, but she still
All this for a military veteran. I remember all your faces.
You're perfect. I think my cuffs are on her. My cuffs are on her.
Wait.
She's trying to. Just take off the cut it. Cut it.
You're a cop. You die. You guys are such not even real cops.
Wants to grab the other side? Or just grab here.
Okay. Hi, the first cop.
Can't hold it.
Ow! That's my hair! Ow!
Get it? If you open this door, it'll make your life easier.
I get the flight number, destination, Philadelphia, right?
Yes. Flight number is 2326.
You saying she's an Army veteran, but
No, yeah, no. She was saying that to me the whole
23,
time.
26?
Yeah. She was telling me that.
She threatened her. I didn't know about this threat, but
Yeah, we did.
That's why I remember I looked at you and I did this. I said, come lock the front. As soon as they
I
walked,
didn't notice. I'm sorry.
she said she was going to kidnap me.
All right, ladies.
But in like a sexual way though. She was, yeah.
We
she-
already got one of your information.
He got only mine.
Okay, that's
Yeah.
fine.
Okay, well, I don't know what happened in the back, so if you
No,
guys
that's
need
fine.
that.
Just your part of the crew. Whatever.
Just like she said to you.
It'll be an incident
Yeah,
report.
yeah, for
Don't
sure.
blame you.
Don't blame me? Alright, cool.
I
I am a woman.
I understand we don't have a tampon.
I am bleeding from my Well, then you have to figure something out. There's no point in letting me out without a tampon.
Fifth, and often overlooked, the request for a tampon while detained in the vehicle. There is no established constitutional right to on-demand hygiene supplies during a roadside or curbside detention. The standard is reasonable accommodation within a reasonable time once someone reaches a facility equipped to provide it, not instant resolution at the point of arrest. That doesn't mean the request should be dismissed. It means the fair question is about timing at the jail, not about what happened curbside.
How am I gonna pee? How am I gonna pee without a tampon?
Do you have one?
In my luggage that's not here, it's my carry-on.
Carry-on's right here.
No, like my luggage that's checked. Not the luggage I have right here. You guys are so ghetto. I can't wait to see you.
Let's go.
No, I need a tampon. I don't.
You do not have a tampon, ma'am.
Excuse me, sir. I don't feel comfortable getting out without a tampon because then you guys. Excuse me, sir. Because if I get out without a tampon and they ask you for a tampon, then you're going to say I'm antagonizing you, and then I'm going to get arrested again. So what's the point of asking for cops' help? No, because when I asked for cops' help the first time, you guys arrested me.
You want to get out and pee or not?
I do, but I would rather pee right here and you guys clean it up at this point.
We're not going to clean it up. Listen,
it's not my problem. You guys will have to.
You want to pee on yourself?
It's not myself. I'm going to pee and I'm going to scoot over. That's
so you don't want to go use the bathroom?
I asked you with a tampon, but you're not.
We don't have a tampon. We do not have one.
You should find one. I'm a woman.
I cannot find one. I don't have one.
You didn't look. You did not look.
Where am I going to get one?
Can you go to the front desk for the concierge?
Well, there's no concierge here. It's not a hotel.
Well, then you better figure it out. You brought me here. I have a. There's no way you don't have tampons.
There's no way you don't have tampons.
Sir, I do.
Okay.
You have it in your bag. We can get it from your bag.
Excuse me, sir. When I board from here, they give me that. When I go to the bathroom. Excuse me. Can I raise my hand and talk, or are you gonna talk over me?
The carry-on's right here.
Can I talk now?
You've already talked enough.
When you board the airplane, they give. Here, I can help you. When you board the airplane, they give you. You're leaving her.
Huh? She doesn't want to get out. She said. She said she's not getting out without a tampon. I don't know.
Grading 3 parties here, not just 2. The responding officers earn a B. Their force escalated only as resistance did, which lines up with the Graham standard. Their one weak point was preparation. The hygiene request could have been handled with a clearer plan on scene. The detainee earns a D-. Her own recorded threat, active resistance, and escalating unverified accusations are the direct evidence behind every charge that followed. Frontier's flight crew earns a B+. Their documented, repeated request to deplane gave police a clean trespass basis before any physical resistance began. Their one shortfall was earlier de-escalation. A faster resolution of the original bag dispute might have avoided police involvement altogether. So where's the line? When does a threat stop being venting and start being evidence? Takeaway 1. A specific targeted threat of violence toward a named officer is independently chargeable, no matter how stressed or provoked you feel in the moment. Takeaway 2. Even brief physical resistance during a lawful transport, a single kick, is what separates a misdemeanor from a third-degree felony. Takeaway 3. Refusing a lawful order from whoever controls the property you're on, a flight crew, a store, a host, can support a trespass charge before any physical contact happens. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on police court interactions.